Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and I'm super excited to have you all here because it's still your favorite graphic designer, Vicsontech. So guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how you can remove a background from an image. Yes, and it is very simple. You can achieve that using just your Photoroom. Yes, there's an application called Photoroom. You can get this application on Google Play Store. Just go to your Play Store and type Photoroom and you will certainly get it on Google Play Store. So guys, let's launch our Photoroom. Ensure that your mobile data is on. If your mobile data is not on, you can't do anything. So guys, go to start from photo and let me pick a particular image that I want to work on. Okay, let's pick this image. Now you see it. The moment you pick it, the application will automatically remove the background of that image. Yes, it automatically take away the background from that image. Now guys, if you are done clicking on the image, the application will remove the background. Now the next thing you are supposed to do, or the next thing you should do, is to click on transparent. Now for that white template, we have four templates here. We have the white, the black, the transparent, and the original. Now for the white, if you click on the white, it means that the image is going to come with a white background. Then if you click on the black template, it means that the image is going to come with a black background. And the reason why we removed the background is because we want to work without the background. We just want to work with the image. Yes, we want to do a design with the image. So the option that you should click is transparent. So go ahead and click on what? Transparent. Yes, this is the template I will be working with. So if you are done clicking on transparent, click on export. You see guys, then click on save to gallery. Yes, if you are done, click on done. So this image has been saved to your gallery. So guys, if you know that you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to smash the like button and also the subscribe button so that you can get notification for amazing videos like this. So guys, thank you so much. I remain your favorite graphic designer, Vicsontech.